Because ohun say enti on mine ye de share mensa na maye ne tantan say e urade ma me chance why nanka me nkoye bibi foforo nanka empepa ni wo ni mfiri ho ono ankasa twa hwehwem no ho a wo hu se amambuo no wabu no toro kan atete apansam no enti mo man mra he obi anwu no mra on ye so obi awu no background that's okay obi awu o Ghana ye hyehyehye ye ho ye de to abobo ye trim na se Mahama be ye president ya it's okay. Akufo-Addo has never been cited by any foreign agency say we ska o mutie Akufo-Addo ye mfa ne nkobo pepe bi achi say we ska o mutie the American pa. But President Mahama there Airbus fo ankasa say and I read me kwesi Airbus Majisika na say midisika ya 5 million euros ama intermediary aid ninua any government official one or acting on behalf of government official one. What ye? He is the most corrupt and the most ever because you kwesi where did he me patcho I me did kwesi where did he patcho there be me did he kwesi within the saying within the kwesi appear crying and also bet my friend Felix appear crying kwesi within the saying medin as said as bema na so oba ana as tintinto ana say as balao emudi simple straight answer question kwesi woni oba dada me pacho I me ne oba dada kwesi wo hu oba hoda me pacho I me hu oba hoda. Mahama, you ever sleep with you ever have sex before as an animal or as human being? Sex, I don't understand. Can you reframe the question? That should have told you guys. That should have told you guys, say, Mr. Mahama wasn't there to come and do anything for himself. Now, let me teach you something people also forget. Man will say, who got a bank and a savings and loans are. There is a threshold. There will near maybe a present answer. More Muslim finance will be uncultured on my country. 2013, obey a president, no. They lowered the standards of operating a bank and savings and loan. The Akufobe page mo asabe only sikabi to some level. I am now quite my own be a bank, no. Because not the bank opening now business. Okay, yabema we be but to bring a percentage. Also ubenya savings and loan. I bring a percentage. Also the percentage. Also percentage. Give us percentage. This man collided with crooks. God is love. DKM. And you know, he is not honest. When you say President Mahama ye honest, no. President Mahama ye honest, say. After all the people who have seen the family, Dubai. One more who Mahama now for 4 Mahama Busia 4 Dubai na Aomoka say ampa Mahama wo many and Kolana so show say Mahama stood on a radio interview recently and even tried to lie, say he doesn't have any accounts anywhere. I was so sad. Me say, Sister Betty, my jaw just dropped. Say, well, I'm like, what did the man say? His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, Ejina news obia, ni interview and him. Echa troch Ghana phone na say, na bank ye ADB, one bank, and a one bank. We need bank be baby. Are you kidding me? Are you guys really serious? Are you guys really fucking serious? Obi anema ewo Dubai, nema ewo Germany, and now make us say ma koni mi chiao. Mahama ma wono ho, ma koni, eja wo de cook. Germany asem na make. Mahama mani bi wo Germany. Minim obi a onim Mahama man na ti Germany no. Every radin ankopon kofo way. Hey, Mahama, he will answer one day. One day that man would answer. According to Mark Oneno, every man to be a sika ye transfer free Ghana keke. Edi brand kolano we brochire nye sika ketwa. Mutie. The money that Mr. Mahama claims he doesn't have any offshore banks. Where the trade. When the trust are till now, this man is still lying. When anybody who lives in Arab Emirate, oh, who ya cry, who Mahama banabako. Oh, who Mahama bani bi kraso o matehono, ye who Mahama banabako a woteho. Mawe Akufo-Addo, Mahama can never compare himself to Akufo-Addo. Mo kai na say ade okoka chire Cape Coast for and fantifoni bi so start Jimmy. Say Akufo-Addo, the man came and said exactly what he saw in the manifesto. Put his presidency aside. Presidency be by a national security threat. Mutie, you national security threat. Enyumegu. Enam dumsonti enyumegu. Obecha ye tro say sheep bi akwa ye den akotwa dai baby away free mobile no send ye ka no pipe no omo de transfer to gas free Nigeria ba no e na abo na enye no kre. Mr. Mahama told us he has ordered car power from Turkey for 2 years near that. He couldn't be realistic enough to tell you the truth. He was questioned whether he's corrupt or not. He couldn't answer whether corrupt as a human being or corrupt as alonte, alogbe, alo kwakwe. He couldn't. Are you corrupt? Yes, I'm corrupt. No, I'm not corrupt. Are you corrupt? Oh, you mean as a human being or as no president or as president? Naturally, when you're president, they are corrupt paying. And I say, as normal person, they are corrupt order. But why president, they are corrupt order? No, I mean, he's been a president, Ghana for the vote too, no, so I have to give him his excellency. I have no choice. Sabiano yantesa bodam for no more to my social media, no. Yani ye di atem krana ye din according to, not according from. Ye di atem na ye di edisi bibi so. Na wano na SS we nurse ni etumi abeye tape. Hey Ghana for. Me see tape no bi amunko pe bi o me I usually don't watch things like that. But this time I